Welcome to BONOSS Lexus on the official channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's see how to measure the thickness of the spaces you need.
Had to rise up just so they could see me.
Using a ruler, place it on the outmost part of the rings where the wheel comes close to the fender. Then this distance is the thickness that can achieve the look that flush or nearly flush with the fender.
Damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck.
BONOSS has an independent OEM factory, so customized wheel spacers can be complete 1 to 3 days at the farthest. Besides, BONOSS provides OEM tools. If you need BONOSS Lexus wheel spacers with special thickness or bolt pattern conversion to install the wheels with different data, the BONOSS custom spacers is your best choice. BONOSS provides customized service of special thickness 3mm to 116mm. There are a lot of tools for your customized PCD conversion wheels adapters. The thread size, thickness, and bolt patterns can be customized according to you. The machining accuracy of BONOSS spacers reach a accuracy of 0.02mm.
It's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who are all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Have any question about the wheel spacers? Leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.